Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and this is the second largest. What am I saying? I'm not at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. I'm getting confused. I'm in Stuttgart at the CMT. Oh, how could I make that mistake? Well, anyway, I've just made it, and so let's just continue and pretend I didn't say that at all. I'm at CMT Trade Fair, the second largest trade fair for motorhomes and caravans in the world. Here we have a Globus Performance 4x4 T46 from Dethleffs, and we'll have a look inside this vehicle. Now, I'm often in doubt why people want to start doing off-road vehicles when they have another speciality, but anyway, can't answer that one. 123,000, 685 long, 220 wide, sleeps 2, maybe an extra 1, and 3,886 was it, or 60 overall gross vehicle weight. So having a look in here, right, to come back, so we've got the German layout at the back. We've got a DAF shelf system up there, and just bear in mind this is a 4x4. I do appreciate that the shelf is deep, but you know, if you're bumping along on some track, or in fact the main road in Italy, then things are going to fall out. Storage below, there you go. Could do with the light if anybody's watching this. The fuses are in there, and there's another thing it could do with a light, of course. It's being stacks of stuff in there. Here we have the washroom, so we've got a nice duckboard down there. We've got a non-slips surface, and there's a look inside. Very attractive washroom, I'd have to say. And this here will move out like that. There you go. So make a shower. But if you don't want to, if you want to see yourself when you're in the shower, so I like to shave myself when I can see myself, and I like it like that best myself. This is a Klesana toilet, and this is something they're very good at marketing. As Klesana, there, that's how it works. It's got a plastic bag in there, and you do whatever you do, and then there's the bag will roll over. It'll seal the one you've just used, and then you're supposed to dump the one you've just used. I have very strong doubts on this. I do not like putting stuff like that, your feces, into bins. There's got to be proper places for it to go. And anyway, never mind, that's not really relevant to this subject now, but just like to make the point. Anyway, this has got a sensible sliding door here, and this one is, oh yeah, it's a bit stiff, but then again, it is new. In here we will find there's the fridge, and over here we will see there's 2 burners and a sink, drawers below with a rather daft thing. This is another thing. This is a 4x4 application. You need, in my opinion, this side should come up. Things move, and I mean, things move when you're walking down a normal street. But you know, if you're going across country, up down, it's things move a lot. So that's not a good. That is not good. Up here, got the drawer, what do you call it, storage. There's your television. Now the television is hidden by that, but it will actually come out, so that's not a problem. You've got a extension there for the kitchen. Up here you can see how much electricity you've got, how much water you've got, and how much dirty water you've got to dump. You'll be able to tell when the dirty you dump the your toilet waste, because there'll be piles of black bags, possibly smelling by then. And there's your heating as well. Right, and your solar charger. Let's have a look outside. sorry. Alright, there's the garage. Well, that's reasonably large. Could do some lashing straps though. I mean, not everybody, I don't use lashing straps normally, but if I was doing off-road, when I have been off-roading, not in my vehicle of course, but when I have been, everything's lashed down very, very thoroughly. So that's something also I think could be looked at. A ladder on the outside, so just in case there's getting chased by a lion, you can run up the ladder. And I really like these bags. I think I thought of something like this in my own van. I thought it wouldn't make more sense just to get bags. You can load the bags up inside and then take them into your vehicle. And I made such an obvious thing. So, but lots of people, lots of 4x4 manufacturers doing things like this. Above all 4x4, see them Abenteuer und Allrad, which is the largest off-road fair in the world, held in June in Bad Kissingen. So there you go, there's the Dethleffs Globus Performance 4x4 T46. Thanks for watching.